Hello everyone, my name is Bableen Kaur and I welcome you to this module titled Digital Media Content Distribution Strategies. In this module, we will cover categorizing media for content distribution, basics of digital media marketing, media content, production and distribution across platforms, optimizing consumer engagement, and maximizing your product's outreach and visibility. So let's begin. In this age of intensive media coverage, digital media have provided a great space for everyone to express and share their thoughts. The avenues to connect to a large audience are wide open. Every day, people are creating and sharing content across digital media platforms like Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, Instagram, blogs, etc. This is a time to tell compelling stories, but if your content is not positioned correctly, your idea may not reach its true potential. In this lecture, we are going to discuss effective content distribution strategies across digital media. Let us first understand what is digital marketing. According to American Marketing Association, marketing is the activity, set of institutions and processes for creating, communicating, delivering and exchanging offerings that have value for customers, clients, partners and society at large. Online media fosters an ecosystem of web or digital marketing. It is both science and art, which involves activities like publishing the product online, understanding and applying current trends in social networks, connect to the right audience and retaining them. According to International Telecommunications Union report, 70% of world's youth are online. Statistics show that in developed countries, 94% of young people aged 15 to 24 use the internet, compared with 67% in developing countries and 30% in least developed countries. Out of the 830 million young people who are online, 320 million or 39% are in China and India. Most social networks appeal to all demographics, regardless of age, gender, education or income. Some are designed broadly for interpersonal communication, like Facebook, while some are designed to build professional networks like LinkedIn, and then some are majorly designed as photo and video sharing portals like Instagram, Vimeo or Snapchat. Over-the-top (OTT) is a term used for delivery of media products like streaming videos, television shows, films, soap operas over the internet without the need for other broadcast media like a traditional cable or satellite. This has proliferated the use of internet television, also known as IPTV. Therefore, digital media can help you reach out to millions globally. It can serve as the perfect canvas to showcase your product. For content distribution, media can be broadly categorized into three types. As explained by Lovett and Stalin, these types are owned media, which is first, second earned media, and third is paid media. Owned media refers to the media channels which are created and owned by you. For example, your website, Facebook page, Twitter handle, Instagram pages, YouTube channel, email, newsletters, blog posts, etc. Earned media is the form of media that you earn when your product gets recognized by third parties. This involves press coverage of your product through reviews, guest articles, tweets, reposts, and shares. And third, paid media includes channels where you explicitly pay or sponsor third-party sites to get your product published. For payments, cost per click or CPC model generally used, which means one earns every time someone clicks and browses through content. You can apply various permutations and combinations of these media types to expand the visibility of your product. Now, strategies for content distribution across various digital media outlets. First, content curation. The word curation comes from art exhibitions. In galleries, exhibits are smartly placed to narrate a story. Likewise, a content curator aggregates content from different sources. This helps audience save their time by getting good amount of information at one place. And in return, it leads them to spending more time on your product. For example, Flipboard. It beautifully curates articles from various sources about the topic selected by its user. Another example is Press Release of the Day on All India Radio, wherein front page news headlines from prominent newspapers are gathered and presented. Second strategy, content analysis. It is important to evaluate the performance of your content regularly. This means you should understand what works on your website, what type of content generates the traffic. This can be done by observing how much time are people spending on various pages, how many people respond to a call for action. Many tools such as Google Analytics help you understand how much time was spent by users on a page. Did they scroll the whole page? And the number of times it was shared, etc. These help build a complete picture about user insights and helps you position your content smartly. Mike Yao argues these decisions help you stick to your business objectives while planning a marketing campaign, better understand your relative market position, and more effectively allocate and utilize your financial human capital and technological resources. Third strategy is tagging content. Tagging refers to differentiating items by marking them as recommended, must-watch, exclusive, or bestseller. Tagging content helps you put forward most lucrative and usually revenue-generating content to the users. Many e-commerce websites like Amazon highlight the products as recommendations for you and must buy, while apps like Netflix showcase their exclusives through tagging. Is it really only about sharing good content? With so much of content vying for our attention, it is absolutely essential that we create credible and quality content that cuts through the clutter and reaches the right target audience with right touch points. These are the points of interaction where users can engage with the content. For example, many online campaigns ask audience for their contribution, like stories of courage or images of participation in social causes. When audience are involved in co-creation, they feel valued. Success on digital world can be achieved by integrating quality content with audience engagement. As long as you fully understand your target audience and their user journey, you can maximize your reach. Influential content distribution strategy is the sum total of creating accurate content with smart digital branding. So how do we achieve this?